Hey, looks like we're pretty much here.
You know what this is, Tyler?
Where is this? Look back. Where are we? Where are we?
At the plane station, whatever it's called.
Yeah, at the airport.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Well, no. Do you want to watch the planes take off?
Mom,
Or
what we're doing here?
we could.
Ow, ow, ow.
Or do you want to fly on an airplane?
Are we flying on an airplane?
Me and you are flying on an airplane today
Why? Where?
to California. What do you think about that? You didn't think that was gonna be it, did ya?
No.
Are you gonna cry?
Yes.
Aw, are you excited?
Okay.
It's okay to cry. Are you happy about it? Yeah? Yeah. It's gonna be so fun. They gave us free tickets because of your special heart and they wanted you to fly on a plane. Is that fun? Alright, give me a thumbs up if you're excited, bud. So that's why I said it's gonna be a long day. I want you to be happy. Are you happy? This is gonna be awesome. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off now. Let me see your smiles. Yay!